Assalamualaikum everyone. I forgot to add one features to the object where in the end of this jaw screw there is a circle at the end. So in this short video I'm going to demonstrate how to draw the circle at the end of this jaw screw. So please open back the jaw screw that you have drawn earlier and go to the solid and select construct and select tangent midplane. So select this one, this cylindrical part, and then select OK. So what you have done is that you have created an additional plane on this end of this jaw screw. So if I move the object around, you can see the plane that we have created is sitting just nicely beside the area that we want to create the hole. So go to front view and select sketch and select this plane that you have created just now. So zoom in to the part where you want to create the hole, select center diameter circle and make sure the line or the circle that you want to draw is on top of this red line and the diameter is 6. Press enter and then let's change the position. The length from the end here is 12. Okay, now we have done with the sketch. Go to solid and select extrude and then select cut, move it to isometric and drag all the way, select OK. Now we have done the missing circle, missing hole that we forget earlier. Thank you.